RocketDNA is a leader in the drones and automation space. Operating for over 12 years in both Africa and Australia, we specialize in remote sensing and geodata solutions that help customers in the agricultural, industrial, and mining industry. Let me tell you a little bit more about the RocketDNA InspectBot. This amazing system comes with a variety of sensors and capabilities that are going to help you achieve and target those complex areas of operations. At its core, it comes with the DJI-based M30 bundle with 3 sensors built on board. It's got a thermal, wide, and zoom lenses. It is complemented with a 4-hour backup UPS, as well as a radio antenna range of 5 to 6 kilometers, which already encapsulates large operating areas. What makes the InspectBot so unique is its ready-to-go configuration. We've incorporated all the components that you need to get going and flying from day one. It has an industrial-grade electrical control box with built-in power UPS backup power supply and all the connectivity that's needed to get deploying. For the connectivity options, you can bring your own wired or wireless connections. We use our own 5G or Starlink backup functionality. The InspectBot comes with its own high-definition pan-tilt zoom camera, which allows us to remotely monitor the area as well as the drone during flight and ensure that the area remains clear of people and any hazards. Our built-in weather station allows us to receive real-time meteorological conditions, allowing us to operate the drone safely. Our network of global remote operating centers, based in Australia and Africa, allows you to be able to deploy missions at any time of the day or night. These missions can either be scheduled or triggered, either operating on a calendar basis or even triggered by any kind of alarms or IoT sensors that you may have.
From the remote operations center, the pilot can be essentially monitoring the drone as he would on site. He's got live video feed and he's getting all of his flight information in real time. And if he needs to, he can take manual control. He's also getting a lot of other information coming into the remote operating center, such as VHF communication. So the pilot in the remote operating center can be talking to aircraft in the vicinity of the xBOT, and other air traffic information, radar information is also coming into that center.
We're pleased to partner with RocketDNA. They've been here since the site first kicked off, assisting us with full-time drone flights, and the ability to bring this new piece of technology to site is really exciting for our team, as well as sustaining our overall productivity.
There's a lot of applications that can certainly add a lot of value, but I'm really keen on that whole emergency response and having data very quickly, footage of what's going on so the team can determine what they need and respond appropriately.
We also have a team of highly dedicated and very well-trained personnel that ensure that the maintenance and the SLAs on each of these xBOTs is happening on a continuous basis. RocketDNA is CASA and CA approved for both remote operations as well as beyond visual line of sight. Our BARS certification recognizes our commitment to safety.
So we've got a team of people from a range of backgrounds, including mining surveyors and engineers, aviation professionals, other geospatial professionals. We've got a pretty good understanding of the problems that our customers face, and we can develop solutions to help solve those problems.
For a fixed monthly price, we include all the equipment, the regulatory approvals, as well as the ongoing maintenance to get you flying today.
Contact us today to see how RocketDNA can help you to make better decisions faster.